I went on a 4-week motorbike tour across Java, Indonesia in 2021. What was it like to take my motorbike on a boat from Bali to Java, and how much did it cost? I will also include a room tour of this awesome outdoor bungalow that I stayed at right on the river on my first night here. From the Canggu area of Bali to the Gili-Manuk Harbor, which is on the far west end of Bali, is about a 3-hour drive, and the price breakdown I will provide later in the video. Morning everyone, we just got on the big boat at the port on Gili-Manuk. We're just going to head across the way. Java's right over there. It's about maybe an hour ride. Not sure the price breakdown, but for 2 people and a bike it was about $30K or about $2.30, something like that. Pretty good deal. We're gonna do a little boat tour. As you can see, it's very packed. This is a dance studio where you go to do dancing, yoga. They got a jacuzzi upstairs. A little market shop there. A toilet. This is the VIP area. It's gotta be a VIP to come in here. I think we're leaving soon. I heard the horn blow about 20 times. We're at max speed. It's about half the speed of smell. Java's right there. We should get there in about 3 hours. We're currently doing a burnout. Doing a big donut. Stop to get some food. We were told to come to this place. Some bamboo jungle looking thing right there. Do a little room tour on the bungalow that we found on Google. It's a single level bungalow. Little dining table area there. There's our bed, mosquito net. We have electrical outlets pretty much everywhere. Outdoor view, got a river down there. Pretty nice. And these curtains close, so if we want, to close them, we can. And our bathroom, so outside. Got a toilet, and this is our shower. Haven't turned it on yet. And that's a shower. And I just turned the hot water heater turn on, so it is heated. Little sink there. And I believe we can walk out here. So it looks like there's which was steps that can go all the way down. So if you want to go down to the river, you probably do that. It's pretty nice. I like it. Price is $350K. Online it goes for about $400 or $425. And this building here, it's actually multiple rooms. It's like 4 rooms, I believe. And it's a shared bathroom, so that's why we took this one here. It's like a private one. But yeah, if you want to check this place out, it's pretty nice. It's pretty much on the far east side of the island of Java. Our neighbors also brought their bike in from Bali. Pretty funny. Getting some dinner at this spot. It says it's been open since 1948. Must be good. When you go to a restaurant, they don't ask you what you want. They just give you a pen and paper, and you just do it yourself. And then when you're done, you just give the paper to the lady, and then your food appears out of nowhere. Oxtail soup right here. And we got some beef soup.